In this video we will show how to repair a hole or a crack in a headlamp. Here are some damage examples. Let's get started on a repair. The welding process is similar to the procedure used for hole repairs on bumpers, with the only difference being that the repair is single-sided. Start on the longest side. Then move to the other side of the hole to allow the first side to cool. Then finish the repair with a weld in the center. Start the final sanding with the 2-speed sander. In the sanding process, it is advantageous to cover the open areas in the headlamp either with covers or with tape to prevent dust accumulating inside the headlamp. Then change to a finer grit and sand the last of the material that is too high. Finish off by using a block with a fine grit to achieve the perfect surface. Finally, the sanded area is heated with the plastic fusion to blend in the area to the rest of the headlamp. The finer grit that is used before the heating, the better the final result. If you want more information, go to our webpage, betaginnovation.com. Under the Training tab, select E module.